Alexander?
Hi, how are you?
Good, Robert Draskovich.
Nice to meet you.
Alright. What nationality, what?
Russian, but we're from Lithuania.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my mother, Irina.
You say your sister, huh?
No, my mom. She's young looking.
Yeah.
Younger and younger after all these troubles.
Exploiting a vulnerable person. Who is the supposed victim in this case? We're in front of Stephen George. He and I are good friends.
Mm-hmm.
I've known this judge for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Who, a forgery,
Mm-hmm.
obtained, you were arrested.
Mm-hmm. Did you, I sent the contact form, I kind of explained what happened. Did you receive that?
I've been in a trial. When did you send it?
It was yesterday at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. and that's when they called me to set up an appointment. It was the website contact form.
It was yesterday?
Mm-hmm. No.
Back to what happened. I was at Henderson Police Department making an incident report in regards to potential mail theft. Yeah, I have it right here.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
They arrested you. In your message, you didn't really know what it was. They said they couldn't tell you, they couldn't give you an explanation. So you had a case that was in warrant, pending, and that's it. I mean, if you retain me, I can get all this information.
Mm-hmm.
We have a date set right now for the 21st of October. If you retain me, you don't. This is right here. My office printed it out. Yeah, but we didn't.
See, basically, what that? So, did you read the full message?
Yeah, but who's charging you? Who did you supposedly take advantage of?
Nobody. It was a fabricated case. It's the similar claims were in a civil lawsuit against me and my mother that was filed in 2023 in March.
Okay, but this is different because this is the state of
Yes.
Nevada versus you.
Yes,
So
I
the
understand.
Detectives picked it up and charged you. Did you post a bail?
Yes,
How much did you post?
that's why I'm here. But basically, I'm trying to explain what happened, where those charges are coming from. That civil lawsuit, see, initially what happened, back in 2023, at the beginning of the year, I found some embezzlement at my HOAs. I went to the Henderson Police Department, got in touch with a detective. After he found out that I found this information, he started fabricating things like that against me and my mother, starting with the civil lawsuit and this one as well, but he dropped that. He never charged me with that.
Okay, but you've been charged. Because this went to the district attorney's office, they approved charges, and you are facing charges.
I understand that. So what I'm trying to explain what happened on that day. On that day, I had no warrants. On July 27th. On that day, I had no warrants, no nothing. When they arrested me, the officer stated that there's a warrant for my arrest in regards to a family theft case for $69,000 since June 3rd. That's what he told me. The officer transferring me to the detention center, I asked him to look it up on the computer. I asked him, why are you arresting me? He looked in the computer, he said, there's no warrants out for your arrest.
None of that matters, though. Those guys are knuckleheads. They don't know what's going on.
But they arrested me for no reason.
They arrested you because the district attorney's office has filed charges against you.
It wasn't in the computer at that time.
It doesn't, I mean, the date of the offense is alleged to have occurred on June of 2021.
Yes, I understand that, but see what is in the computer system stating May 20th, May 29th, that was not there until June 27th later in the day. Because the warrant that supposedly I asked to see the warrant, it was not signed by the judge at the police station.
Okay,
So they never showed it to me.
okay.
So basically, they arrested me for no reason.
They arrested you because they had a warrant in the system. In this jurisdiction, they can arrest you for that.
It was not in the system.
You had a warrant, they couldn't have arrested you if they didn't.
That's what I'm trying to explain. There was no warrant. My mom, when I was in, I got there around 10, 11 a.m. My mom was a witness. I called her. She reached out to an attorney who went into the computer system. There was nothing.
Until 2:30 p.m. he told me there is nothing in computer system.
Okay,
And I need to wait when something is there, so.
okay, a warrant was issued, and the judge signed a warrant. A complaint was filed on May 16th, 2024.
It was not. Hey, that's what the system says. That's a fabrication. That's what I'm
Okay,
trying.
well, you have charges pending, a judge signed a warrant.
He did not sign it. When I was in prison, I saw the warrant. There was no signature.
Okay, you won't have the original, they filed that. But
No,
you have-
I didn't get any warrant. The police officer who was processing me with my fingerprints, she even called the supervisor over and she said there's no judge signature. So the officer told her to fold it and put it away for later. So they never showed it to me.
Well, as of right now, you have court on 8/21 at 9 o'clock.
So I don't understand why you're not ignoring everything.
I'm not
telling you.
ignoring anything I'm saying. We have court. You have court on August 21st.
Yeah, it's a fraudulent case.
And we need to, you have to appear in court on that date. Do you know what'll happen if you don't appear in court on that date?
I understand what that. I can appear for myself, sir, if you're gonna talk to me like that, ignoring everything that I'm telling you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Alex,
I'm trying to.
No, you're not, because you're not hearing this is a corruption case.
Okay, so what?
You're not listening.
What do you think that I should do then?
That's what I came for you. I'm
For
trying to
you,
explain to you the situation.
Okay.
Trying to see what we can do with it. Because like I told you, it was not in the system, that's a fact. The warrant is not signed, that's a fact.
Okay.
In fact, the charge for theft of $100,000 that's on there, it is relating in June 28th, 2021. It's in regards to a quitclaim deed between my mother and her previous boyfriend. I am not in that deed.
Okay.
I had never anything to do with that paperwork.
And also we have a letter too from Henderson Police.
Yeah, and this one,
Attorney.
that's what I'm trying to, I understand this might sound a little bit off, but I have things that I can prove what I'm telling you.
Excuse
Because-
us, I am in trouble too because my name is still there.
Well, there may be a warrant for.
There is, that's why we came here. We need to
Yeah.
figure out what to do with that. But I please ask you one thing. Please let me explain to you what's happening. Because I'm not, trying to make a joke or waste your time.
I'm not either, but what we need to do is we need to file a motion and get her warrant. If she has a warrant, we need to get that taken care of.
Yes, that's what the main thing is. But before and I'm sorry for getting frustrated, but just please understand us, We had a lawsuit filed against Henderson Police Department in the
Court.
8th District Justice Court. This is their retaliation, what they're doing now in regards to that. This is how I can show you that there was nothing in the computer system on May. This is motion to dismiss from that court case in the 8th District Court. It's dated and filed on June 3rd. If you look at page 7, it's going to be page 7. It's going to say that there is no.
Yeah. And who signed this paper? Yeah, you can.
Mr. Attorney.
This is what happened is you filed a lawsuit against the Henderson Police Department.
Yeah.
And this is their retaliation against me because, is that page 7?
Yeah. Well, this is page 8. I see what's going on.
It was somewhere over here. It says that there's no processes against me on June 3rd.
Okay.
So therefore, what's in the computer system there, it was fabricated.
Okay.
and we have a court, civil court, in August 12th against
Yeah.
Henderson Police, and everything happens for 1 week because we're going more close to this court.
Okay. I understand that this lawsuit is going on. As of right now, you very well may have a warrant. You have a criminal case that's open and pending now. And you
I
have-
understand that, but do you see what I'm trying to say? It says May over there. This is June 3rd.
Yeah.
And this is higher than all of those people. He's claiming there's nothing about me or my mom on June 3rd of this year.
Okay.
So how is that possible?
You have a court appearance now in front of Judge George. You have a.
No, actually, there's no judge at all. If you look over there, they
It's-
removed the judge.
It says hearing vacated, but I anticipate, let me see, we're in Department 1. We're in Justice Court, Department 1. You have a court appearance on 8/21.
See, I think it's over here.
It's right here.
No, here. See, there's no judge. They removed it because the judge never signed the warrant.
Okay, so are you going to appear for your court appearance on the 21st?
Oh, I will, but so you have nothing to say about that?
I have to read everything. You brought me some paperwork. This is their motion to dismiss.
No, I understand. Here, I'll find it so I can show you. Let me see. Here. Right here. It says right here. This sentence right here.
Okay.
I know it's in regards to the motion, but this is the fact that he's stating it. On June 3rd, there's nothing in there. So how is that possible?
Because this is the city attorney's office. This is the civil division dealing with the civil lawsuit that you filed. This is the district attorney's office for Clark County, Nevada, that's prosecuting the case against you. This is the city of Henderson. This is the district attorney's office. They're different entities.
That doesn't make sense. Why is it filed in the Henderson Justice Court?
Because they handle felony matters in Henderson. But this is the city attorney's office. This is a civil matter. This is a criminal matter.
But he's talking about our Henderson. See, our lawsuit, you know what our lawsuit was about in regards to that? Because they were in the process of fabricating that case. This
Okay.
comes from Henderson Police.
Okay,
That's
but
not district
this
attorney.
is the state of Nevada. See this? This is the state of Nevada. This is a different.
I understand states sue no matter what
Okay, but
police
this-
it is.
No, but this is a prosecutor's office. This is the Clark County DA's office that's prosecuting.
But here, I'll do even better one for you. That fabricated case, the civil case and criminal case, I can prove why it's fabricated right here. That gentleman that's supposedly we stole those things from, he lives in Georgia, right? Yesterday he sent my mom a text message, or the day before yesterday. This is what it said.
Okay, let me ask you this. You currently have a criminal case pending. Do you want to retain a criminal attorney to fight this criminal case?
Yes, but I want a criminal attorney who's going to understand what's going on. You're going to go at it like it's a normal case. It's not a normal case.
Okay, come in. Okay, I'm in with the client right now. I'll be with you. Okay, then take it.
So, but let me just, so he said, my attorney is going to send you an offer in regards to the civil lawsuit, okay?
Okay.
This is the offer saying if we give them the house back, they're going to drop the civil lawsuit.
Okay, but that's not going to affect this case. This is brought by the district attorney's office.
And, you know what? Because this gentleman, he has no friends here. He doesn't know anyone in Vegas. One of his things he's asking for is to delete everything from my YouTube channel.
Okay.
All of because what I've been posting on my YouTube channel, recordings of the corrupt police,
Okay.
recordings of corrupt detectives,
Okay.
recordings of corrupt judges
Okay.
in the district court. He wants to erase that. This is not coming from him.
Okay, but Alexander, I'd be happy to get involved in your case, but this is a criminal case that's being brought by the district attorney's office against you.
Well, then I'm happy to go there myself and represent myself.
They're gonna say that you have to have an attorney and they may appoint you a public defender.
No, I cannot defend myself.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, I wish you the best.
I should let Robert tell us that you're a corrupt lawyer.
All right.
Yes?
No, I'm not a corrupt lawyer.
Yeah,
I'm telling you
that's what you did right now, you are.
And they may need help.
Have a